Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Rockstar Games. We are unable to handle your request at this time. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Okay, once done, once it's all disabled, you can now go ahead and go to your date and time in here. Just right click on it and click on just date and time. Okay, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, make sure that set time zone automatically is enabled. Okay, also set time automatically is enabled. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and click on sync now. Once you got a check mark, close this one. Close the launcher. It could be Epic Games, Steam. Right click on it, hit on exit. Also, if you have a Rockstar Games running in the background, close it as well. Okay, once that's done, you can now go ahead and relaunch the game and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay. Now go ahead and go to rockstargames.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to the top right. Sign in. Now, once signed in, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile. And then here, click on accounts, settings. Okay. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead over to linked accounts right here in these tabs. Okay, you will be landed on your profile, so just click on linked accounts. And in here, if you have your Xbox, PlayStation, or whatever account linked in here, just click on unlink. Okay, once it's unlinked, you can now go ahead and click on link once more. Okay, just link it, link account, like so. Wait for it, accept. Just follow the simple prompts. Then here, just hit on continue. And then once done, just go ahead and launch the game again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.